Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be demonstrating the commercial process of making an opaque soap. Oh yeah, opaque soap is widely used for bathing and laundry because of its rich lather, hardness and the long-lasting quality. So if you want to know more about opaque soap or you want to learn more about opaque soap, please, this video is for you. Kindly pay attention and also write down everything in your paper. All right, so opaque soap is different from a transparent soap. Yeah, transparent soap is like that type of a canoe soap you see in the market, while opaque soap looks exactly like a wow soap. If you know wow soap, it is opaque soap or B29. These are the opaque soap. Okay, so pay attention. So let's dive into today's production. So here is the tallow I'm going to use for this production. This is my 500 grams of tallow. All right, so I'm going to make use of tallow and also combine it with my PKO, and I also have 500 grams of PKO here. So it's either you combine your oils. All right, so here I have my 170 grams of my caustic soda, and I also have my calcium carbonate of 150 grams, my sodium sulfate of 100 grams. So here is the water. The quantity of water I'm going to use in total is 700 ml of water. Oh yeah, 700 ml of water. So this is my perfume. Of course, I love using perfume in my production because I'm selling them out. So here is the bucket I'm going to use for today's production. So what I'm doing now is to transfer my oil, the PKO, into another bowl because this container is not going to contain it. Okay, so I transferred it into another container. So I made use of tallow and the PKO. Note, this combo gives you hardness plus good ladder. Remember, PKO ladder so well, while tallow oil gives you hardness. So I'm adding my titanium dioxide, which is my white color, into my oil because of the type of PKO I made use of is kind of black and brown in color. So, and I wanted this soap to be white, so that's why I'm making use of this color. All right, to enhance it. Okay, so you can either make use of palm oil and the PKO, or you make use of tallow or PKO, any which one. All right, so here I'm dissolving my first chemical, which is a calcium carbonate, and I'm making use of, I shared my water into two parts. Then this particular water I'm using to dissolve these ingredients is warm water. Please note, it's warm water so that it will dissolve faster. So I dissolved my calcium carbonate and my sodium sulfate. These two serves as a filler in this soap making process. Okay, these are fillers. All right, now I want to prepare a lye solution. So I added my 170 grams of caustic soda, which is also known as lye, into my water. Okay, and I've dissolved it and set it aside to cool a little before I make use of it. Now this is the oil I'm going to use for this production. Okay, so I'm adding my perfume into my oil. Yeah, so once you dissolve your caustic soda in water, it becomes a lye solution. All right, it becomes a lye solution. So the first chemical we are going to be adding now is the first chemical we dissolved earlier, which is a calcium carbonate and the sodium sulfate. So if you cannot find sodium sulfate, you can replace it with your sodium silicate. These two acts the same. They are mainly for hardness. Okay, so now the next thing we are going to add, of course, is our lye solution, which we prepared earlier. So this is what will give you that opacity that you need. So I'm making an opaque soap, and this is the formula we are going to use. So if you want to know more about opaque soap, or if you want to make soap that you can sell in the market, that once you go to the market, people are going to rush you, they're going to rush your soap, you can join my class. Okay, I will drop a number or my WhatsApp link so you can use it and join the class. All right, the fee is very affordable. There I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about soap making, the kind of oils you need for soap production and everything. Okay, so remember, we are using a heat transfer method for this particular production. So in this process, you need to apply heat. Okay, you need to apply heat because of your tallow, but the soap is not fully cooked like hot process. When semi-hot process works best for tallow, not PKO. Tallow needs heat. Tallow is solid at room temperature. Okay, gentle heat helps it melt properly. All right, so this takes heat evenly and form a hard bar. Cold process doesn't handle tallow well because it can solidify too fast. All right, so that's why we always need heat whenever we are making use of our tallow. Now I'm adding my surfactant, and the surfactant I used here is a XLS powder, so you can make use of any surfactant of your choice. I use this because of the tallow I used in this production. Remember, tallow does not foam, rather it makes a hard bar. Yes, so use any foam booster of your choice. So opaque soap depend on fillers like calcium carbonate, and the semi-hot process helps the ingredient blend smoothly, result a uniform, solid, and a non-transparent soap. So guys, if you have watched to this point, please help me share this video with your loved ones, with your family and friends. Share the video. Okay, subscribe to this channel, and I thank you guys for always watching my video, for always commenting, for always liking. I did not take it for granted. I love you all so very much, and may God bless you out for me. So if you have any comments, comment down below, and I'm surely going to reply you back. And again, our class is coming up, so if you want to join the class, okay, I'm going to drop a link that you are going to use, like I said earlier, to join this class. And I bet you're not going to regret it, because there you are going to learn everything that you need to know about soap making, the kind of oils that you are to combine together to achieve a more hard soap, all right, and a commercial kind of soap, okay, that people need in the market. So here the soap has hardened up, and I'm removing them from the mold. It did not take up to 4 hours at all. It did not take up to 4 hours. So by the time this soap stays for a day or 2 days, you will see the hardness we are talking about. And believe me, this soap can never finish easily in water. It will never. All right, so but had it been I use only PKO, before you know it, it will finish on time. But combining this with a hard oil makes it stay at least longer before it gets to finish. So guys, this is it. You can try this out. All right, try them out. Try 1 or 2 things out. What have you tried since you joined this channel? Have you tried anything out? I'll be glad. Honestly, I'll be glad. Please try something new. Okay, so I've removed this everything in the mold, and I got 13 pieces of bar soap. I got 13 pieces of bar soap using 1 liter of oil. So these are the soap here, and you know the kind of this size of soap, you know how much it is being sold in the market. I will not sell this anything less than 400, or at worst 350 naira. Yes, soap is quite expensive now in the market. Have you gone for market survey? Have you gone to market just to check the prices of soap in the market? Take advantage of these guys. So please do not miss that class for any reason. Do not miss it for any reason, right? We are coming to the end of this class. So if you have any complaint, if you have anything that you want me to, any video that you want me to make on this channel, please drop it in the comment section. All right, and believe me, I'm going to shoot that video because of you. All right guys, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, share it with your loved ones, like the video, all right, so that YouTube is going to help me push it to the right audience. Okay, I love you guys so very much, and thank you again for always coming back to watch. See you in my next video. All right, until then, it's a bye for now. Bye.